sngap share lang yakani ka video but subscribe
under the BJP
tries
tries to create a unitary culture promoting oneness. One nation, one ration, one nation, one tax, one nation, one market, one language, one exam, one election, one nation, one religion, one nation, one party. This is where what you're trying to lead to. But you have to understand that will never happen.
Never.
This country has seen enough. This country has withstood enough, and our people, the people of this nation, will fight. You continue to undermine the power of the states. You continue to delegitimize the work we have done.
Shame.
You continue to insult us. You do not understand what a welfare state is and what freebies are. You continue to call us names, but we have set examples. We have proved that we can create models of social justice. We can create models of inclusive development, which you have miserably failed to do so. To read the speeches of Dr. Ambedkar, or at least kindly advise them what this country stands for and what federalism is. Because you are the ones who keep talking about cooperative federalism. So you should teach them to cooperate and understand the importance of federalism. But you do not listen. You could not listen to this, Mr. Rahul Gandhi when he spoke here. You were interrupting because you're not used to listening. It is something which you don't know how to do.
Listen to sense. Listen to sense.
A king without an honest, critical council needs no enemies to come to ruins. So if you do not listen to what the opposition says, to what the people say, to what the press says, to what people have to say to you, then you do not need enemies to bring you to ruin.